Okay, so this is the UTS LCS Plus tracking device. This is our OBD2 Quick Connect cable. This is your main unit, and this is the wiring harness that you'll use to connect the actual device into the OBD Quick Connect harness. To perform the installation, you're going to need a few simple hand tools. One would be a pick tool or panel popper, and that's just for removing some of the clips that we're going to encounter in the dash. A knife to be able to cut some of the factory wire looms that are in the vehicle. A wire cutter, a 7mm socket, and a wire stripper. This is the main LCS Plus control module. This is your actual GPS unit. This is the wiring harness that we're going to use to connect into the vehicle that will connect to this device. On the wiring harness there are 4 wires. The black wire is a ground wire. It's going to go to the vehicle chassis ground. The red wire is going to go to a constant power source. This is a source that is not switched when the key is turned on or off and remains at 12 volts at all time. The other 2 wires are used for additional features that we have, such as tow alert and starter disable. The first thing we want to do is pre-wire our harness. Basically what we're going to do is start masking this harness to make it easier to run through the vehicle and also to hide the wiring so that anybody that potentially gets into the vehicle does not immediately notice that there's a tracking device in it. We're going to do that by just taking some electrical tape and starting at the top of the harness. You always want to leave a little bit of wire at the top just so you have a place to come in and check these wires with a meter if you ever have any problems with the unit. And we're just going to go in and start taping these wires together. At first what I want to do is I want to tape all of the wires together in one bundle. And we'll tape all the way to the fuse and take the additional wires and continue taping those. And then we'll start back up on the back side of the fuse. You can just break the tape off and you'll see what our pre-wired harness looks like, ready to go into the vehicle. So now we've gone from having just bare wires to having everything taped up. It looks nice, it's clean, everything's contained, and we're able to go and plug this into our unit and begin our installation.
Okay, we're here installing the UTS LCS Plus. This install is going to be on a 2000 Chevrolet truck. We're going to show you how to put the device in. This is going to be a quick, basic install, so we're not going to go to any great length as far as hiding the unit, but we are going to mount it in a stealth location where it's not visible to the driver. And this is mainly for functionality